Now to our continuing coverage of the aftermath of Hurricane Irma. We're now getting word of animals being abandoned by their owners because of the massive storm.
Our own Erica Rako was at Miami-Dade Animal Services in Doral and filed this report.
Avoiding euthanasia is the goal here, but overcapacity is the situation right now after Hurricane Irma. So many animals affected coming in and none being adopted since this shelter was forced to be closed for almost a week. Hurricane Irma's effects still being felt inside Miami-Dade Animal Services. The kennels are full, dogs surrendered, some rescued, and all waiting to get out.
The biggest impact has been seen in shelter population going up, because as the storm is approaching, people aren't adopting animals, rescue groups aren't taking animals, but animals are coming in throughout those days.
From Wednesday to Saturday, reports of 50 dogs left behind and tethered.
So people were tying their pets up and evacuating without them?
In some cases, yeah, we had quite a few calls.
0030.
To help make room for animals impacted by the storm, 100 dogs were moved out Wednesday morning. One by one, the ASPCA loaded them up, headed for the group's emergency shelter in South Carolina. They'll join other animals that were rescued after Hurricane Harvey and brought to the 40,000 square foot facility too. At the same time, a tactical team boarded vans. They are headed to help storm impacted animals on the west coast of Florida, a large group of animals stranded in floodwaters in Lee County.
We have fish and wildlife boats, we have ASPCA boats. We'll take our animal control officers in there to help secure the animals. We'll give them a veterinary triage just to make sure that they're healthy. We will transport them off that area back to a staging area.
Meanwhile, the animal control officers here at home will continue the work rescuing and investigating cruelty and abandonment cases.
The follow-up will be, we responded to the animals immediately in the field as the storm was approaching, and then we're following up with the violation side after the storm.
The shelter's director says they will prosecute criminally where possible. Miami-Dade Animal Services just reopened today, but only with limited services for now. In Doral, Erica Rako, Local 10 News.